New wounds, new allies. The story continues. This is Egypt, Part 2.
We must discuss this. Let us cooperate. What about the truth for Giulio Regeni?
Egypt and Italy. Egypt and Jordan, maps that always align. Egypt and Somalia, watching where the rivals stay. Egypt and Iran, a handshake taken slow. Egypt and Britain, an old canal long past. Egypt and Yemen, coins scattered on the shore.
Like, subscribe, comment,
Egypt and Yemen,
Let's go!
Egypt and Eritrea, quiet but aligned. Egypt and Eritrea, what? Egypt and Morocco, Tipor slow. Egypt and Algeria, both pass with a grin. Egypt and Algeria, brothers who both win. Egypt and France, wings built on trust. Egypt and France, a partnership robust. Egypt and Germany, building power clean. Egypt and Greece, a border drawn with peace. Egypt and Cyprus, a line beneath the wave. Egypt and Cyprus, partners. Egypt and Iraq, a current shared with pride. Like, subscribe.